The daily tiered rate structure within MyEyedro allows you to define specific rates depending on how much electricity has been consumed to date per day. The daily tiered rate structure is functionally similar to the tiered rate structure, the only difference being that the kilowatt-hour range you set will be smaller, representing a single day's usage instead of a full month. Double-click on a tier to modify any of its fields. Here you can set the label, kilowatt-hour range, and associated cost. In this case, I will rename this middle tier. We will decrease that, increase this, and increase the price. As you can see, when you modify the kilowatt-hour range, the surrounding tiers will automatically adjust so as to not leave any gaps. The keyword max is used to represent an arbitrarily large kilowatt-hour usage. It is important to note that the first tier must start with 0, and the last tier must end at max. To add a tier, click the Add Tier button. I'll name this Middle Tier 2. We will bump up that value and this one, and we'll reduce the cost. Alright, and to delete a tier, select it from the list and click the Delete Tier button. Once again, the surrounding values have adjusted. Thank you very much for watching.